Hey, this is James with the America's Origami Shop, here to tell you about our huge Giving Thanks sale starting this Wednesday, where we're marking 10 of our mainstay papers down 20% off. This includes Loku, Marble, Leather, Grainy, Lizard and Rhino Hide, Shindanchi, Vintage, Blue Craft, and finally, Yohishi, also known as Bear Hide. Now, this offer is good for all single sheet and multi-pack offerings, so lots of ways to save. We just want you to know that we're so thankful for all of our customers here at OrigamiShop.us. And if you happen to live in Europe or thereabouts, this sale is also going on the French site, origami-shop.com. All papers except for the Blue Craft. You didn't have that one. So no Blue Craft. Thanks again, and stick around to hear more about the models and paper that appear in this video.